So we have delete. We can toggle between edit and preview for each individual one. Let's now make sure that we can um, uh, wait a minute. Oh, this is rendering here. How is this rendering? Let me see. As H6. Oh, okay. Wait, what is it? H1. Oh, it is updating actually. We're changing the state, but it's not saved, right? If I refresh, it won't save to the server, right? So it's being updated locally in the DOM, right? So this is a new widget, right? And if I leave, I change the data, right? And I can change the size as well, make it small. If I go back, right, and I can change it to H1, so it is updating. But if I refresh, none of this is being saved. Yes. So let's see how we can save it to the server. Right. So to save it to the server, the only way is to do a put. Right. Take this new widget that has changed, has a new size, a new text, right, has all that, right, and now we have to send it over to the server. So let's do that. Right. So what we'll do is that in the widget, where are we? So we're the heading right here. What we could do here is add a save button, right? We can say or an OK button or something, right? Where we can say button and we say OK. That shows only when we're editing. There's the OK. That what's going to do is that is going to send this over to the server. Now we could do the invocation of the server here, handle the event here. What we're going to do instead is that we know that our parent, the one who's iterating over the widgets, has already set up a dispatcher mapper, right? A state mapper. It's already handling all those things, right? It's kind of like my container, right? It's passing me all these things. So I'm gonna pass this to my parent, right? And my parent will then send it to the server, right? And re-update the reducer and re-update everything. Yes. Right. So let's do that. So this is gonna call the on click. We're going to we're gonna put this in a closure because we want to call our parent this .props.save. We want to pass the widget that we just edited, right? We want to pass this .state .widget. We edited, okay, and so that our parent can receive that. So our parent would pass it to us in the widget list. Where is our widgets? Here's our widgets. Here's our widget. We can pass it this save button, save property, which will be mapped to some local this.save. Okay, probably for both, for the heading and for the paragraph. And save here, the save function can receive that widget that has all the new stuff, right? The new size, the new text, yes, and can then send it to the server. Hey server, here's an updated widget, right? Go on and update it in the server. So let's do that. So we can say this .props.update widget, right? And we can pass the widget ID comma the actual widget that we are updating, right? And call that, right? So let's implement that next.